welcome back to my channel. This is Simply Feast and my name is Anisha. Today I have some spicy chorizo tacos with some refried beans on the side. I'm starving as usual, so we'll get right into the video. But before we do, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you'll be notified every time I post a video. How y'all doing today? I hope good. So, like y'all saw in the close-up, I have some chorizo tacos. And some refried beans on the side. I actually never had chorizo tacos. These are, I'm sorry, rewind. These are vegan chorizo tacos, so not like real meat. Wow, that's good. This is vegan chorizo meat, so this is actually a vegan Friday, taco Friday. Yeah, these are bomb. I season them the same like I season my like my regular taco beef. On point. And on top I just have lettuce, tomatoes, or lettuce, pico, cheese, guacamole, and that's it. Fresh lime juice. Y'all want a bite? Go ahead. You don't want this one? I give you a bite of the next one, I promise. I also made my own taco shells. It's super easy. Let me know in the comment box below if y'all want me to show y'all my next taco video how to do that. It'll probably only be like a 10 or 15 second clip. It's not hard at all. And once you make your own tacos shells, you don't want to go back to the box unless you're really tired. But these are so fresh and like, I don't know, it just makes you feel like you're out the country. For sure. Ooh. So good. I have 5 tacos here. Let's see if I can eat them all. Not a challenge. I was just really hungry. I went to the gym this morning. I usually never, this is gonna sound horrible. I usually never go to the gym, like ever. But I want to get into working out and stuff like that. And I realized that it's like anything that you start, you don't have to go so hard at the beginning. Like, you don't have to, if you just starting to work out, like this is my motto. If I'm just starting to work out, I'm not gonna feel like I need to be in the gym for like an hour and a half, an hour, 2 hours. That's silly. I don't ever go to the gym. Why would I just go to the gym for that long starting off, you know? So we go to the gym for about, like, I say we, me and my boyfriend usually go together. For about like 45 minutes to like an hour and 15 minutes. You could do 30, but like me, you know, when you listening to music and when you in the gym, it make you go harder. So it's like, you like me, I'll be like, all right, I'm gonna do it for 30 minutes, but then I'll be listening to a CD and I'll be like, all right, I'm gonna just wait till the end of the CD or something. What are y'all eating tonight? I'm talking about a CD. Hold on. I mean an album on Tidal or Tidal. How my one dude used to say on the podcast. I forgot his name. I was in Textone. Was that Textone? It was one podcast I used to watch a long time ago. I used to always call it Tidal Tidal. So as a joke, I call it that. But yeah. Start listening to somebody's album, especially somebody I like, make you go harder and harder. What's y'all favorite album to work out to or music to work out to? Do y'all like working out to like real crunk stuff? Do y'all like listening to books? I know some people listen to like audiobooks. I think that's awesome. You get to work out and get knowledge at the same time. They out here living their best life for real, for real. I'm gonna get to that level. Right now, I need that music to motivate me. This is messy. But, woke up this morning, straightened up my house a little bit. Didn't really need to be, like a lot didn't need to be done. Went straight to the gym. What else did I do? Did my hair. You guys like it? Is it cute? I never do my hair like this, y'all, because I live in Florida. I say that a million times, but I do have a few new people. Shout out to y'all. Welcome to the family. Hey, my Simplies. I just hit my flowers. I wanted to really go on my lip. Anyway, dang, I lost my train of thought, y'all. Whatever. I want to go to Ulta today so I can get help finding my shade, because when I tell y'all, I don't know how to do makeup, so I'm really new to it. I think I know my shade, but every time, like the one I bought, it's too light or it's too dark. And I don't feel like I have to mix, because, I mean, I don't know if y'all can see right now, but all the makeup tutorials I've been watching on YouTube, they basically say, like, you should match, like, your face with your neck kind of thing. But, yeah, I don't know. I'm doing it wrong or something. It ain't working for me. I'm squeezing the mess out of this lime, y'all, to the bare bones. Ooh, excuse me. I think I was telling y'all about my day, but I don't remember. Either way, I'm here now, eating with y'all. This girl was starving, as you can see. I don't know how fast I just ate those tacos. Given I only ate like 2.5, I feel like it only took a minute. Y'all got any plans for this weekend? Y'all going out? Y'all staying in the house? And let me know in the comment box below. Anybody else feel like so hungry after y'all exercise? I be like starving, like Marvin, for real. I know it looks like it's a lot of oil. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's just water actually. I put water in my taco meat so it can give it like a saucy kind of feel to it. So that's why it looks so juicy. It's not oil, it's just juice. Cause that'd be, ooh, could you imagine? Way too much. I'm so rude. I still didn't give y'all a bite. I'm almost done, I swear. I got y'all next taco. I've recently become obsessed with putting cilantro with my tacos. So, my boyfriend made serrano pico de gallo. So we usually put jalapeno peppers in our pico. But I keep hitting this, but maybe it's too close. Hold on. Put this back. We usually put jalapenos in our pico, but today he put serrano peppers. They are so good, y'all. So good. Spicy. If you like spicy food, you would love it. Like, love it, love it. Oh, excuse me. I'm getting full, y'all. I'm getting full. I usually could eat. I just looked somebody. See? That's why you shouldn't talk first. Just after I said, I'm so hungry still. Blah, blah, blah. Full 2 seconds later. Y'all, hold up. I got y'all. Hold on. Because at this point, I'm getting full anyway. Y'all can have this last one. Here you go. Get you a bite. Is it good? What's your favorite meat in your tacos? This is my first time trying chorizo, but I would definitely eat it again. I think beef still might be my favorite, but I wouldn't be opposed to getting like a couple beef and a couple chorizo. Whoa! Wow. Y'all ever try to prevent something and you make it worse? I just did that. That's my last bite, y'all. I'm gonna be done. I know this was a short one, but I think because I ate so fast, I got full quick. So good. But I'm all done here, y'all. Your girl is full, okay? Starved. I mean, delusional, obviously, because I meant to say stuffed. I hope y'all have a great weekend, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.